2004 Toyota Sienna, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive. This is the same for 2006. This is going to be a radiator replacement. I'm gonna start by removing this plastic here. There's supposed to be a bolt here, 10mm bolt is missing. 10mm bolt. Then these are clips here. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking these clips off here. Okay, right now I'm gonna be taking the 3 10mm bolt here. Hopefully they are not stuck. I'm gonna be using 10mm ratcheting wrench. It's not bad at all. Now I'm gonna try this one. Now I'm gonna lift the plastic cover. I'm gonna do this one. I'm bringing this out by hand right now. 10mm bolt. Here. Now it has one 10mm bolt on this direction here, and another one on the other side. Exactly as this one. I'm gonna just exactly in this direction here. Because the camera is not seeing the bolt exactly, but oops. Here. I took the other one out too. It's the same. Alright, so this one, the frame here is coming out. Sometimes I use this plier right there. Just press on the tab. Right there. And take this out. And I'm gonna disconnect this from here too, the hood latch. I mean here. Okay, now if this is on your way, in my case I'm gonna pull it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this connector out right now. Right there. Okay. Now this is something that is embracing both hoses here. Just want to mention something really quick. These are 8mm bolt, 1 and 2. The same on the other side. For this purpose, I use this plier. There is a bucket there. I'm gonna put this hose here for now. And right now I'm gonna be using this to twist the oops. Here, and I'm gonna be, I always put them standing up right there, like this. Now I'm gonna go for the next one here. Now you use the tool, whatever tool is more convenient. Now I use this straight one here. Right there. I don't know if I got too loose or not. Right there. Spill oil. Now I have the chance to put this wire harness aside here. Oops, this one I already pulled them out. They have a tab here beneath. Now I'm gonna be pulling this out. You just follow it here, right here. Now the next Next is gonna be the lower radiator hose, which I don't want to go beneath, so I will take it out from here. In this case, this clamp allows me to do it with a flathead screwdriver. Alright, 8mm bolt. Now this is a 10mm bolt here with the radiator fence. Another one here. I'm gonna lift this up a little bit because this screw here is so rusty and I don't think it's gonna come out. Okay, I'm beneath the car right now. That's the radiator right there. I'm gonna see if I can take out the two 10mm bolts that holds the fan, radiator fence. There is one here, 10mm bolt. You get it from here, for the radiator fan. This is the frame of the car here, and this is the radiator fence. Right here is that's the head of the bolt right there, 10mm bolt. And here is another one. Can't even see if the camera is getting or not. That's the other one right there. I'm gonna pull them out. Okay, now I'm gonna see if this fence come out here. Okay, and just really quick, this is where the 10mm bolt goes here. Our bolt there, and this is the other one here. Okay. Come here with the hose, and that's where the radiator and this is where the radiator sits here on this bracket, and this is where the 10mm bolt goes for the fence, and right here too, the same. Okay, here's the new one here. That's the hose right there. It's coming with the hose. Hope I don't have any issues to put it in. Make sure it's sitting very good there. Hope they don't break it because they are so rusty. Gotta match the holes here. Okay, right now I'm gonna be transferring this where you bolt these things here. I didn't realize that this one didn't bring them. It's gonna take a few minutes. Now, it's another one here. This one should be easier. Okay, I already put both of them. All you gotta do is lining it up. A 8mm bolt again. Alright, and that's how I'm gonna put the other ones too. The radiator fence here. Alright, make sure you can see here. You can see through here when they match the holes there. I'm gonna connect these connectors here. Now I'm gonna put these two hoses here. Now I bolted this only by hand. Not show on camera because not something easy. Just by hand because see, it still can be moved. So because I have not bolted from the bottom, I'm just gonna put the clamps on these hoses right now to finish with these hoses already. Right now, I'm gonna put them here. this, and I'm gonna be putting this hose. Okay, I'm gonna be putting this wire harness. These clips, they go here exactly in these holes here, like that. I'm gonna connect it here right now. It's better to connect them when they are on here on top. Right. This one too, for the hood latch here, right there. Three 10mm bolt here. I'm gonna be putting this first, the one here, the one in the middle here. Yeah, I got to put it in already. Now I'm going to show, this one is the one I just put here. Now this one here. Okay, now I put it by hand. Let's see this one here. Okay, once you put them by hand, the rest is easy. Beautiful. Now I don't tie it from one side too much at the beginning, because you gotta line up on the other side. Okay, right now I'm gonna put an antifreeze, and I'm gonna, once I put antifreeze, I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna run the car in parking with the radiator kept off, so it can bleed out bubbles, the air. Now when you put in antifreeze and on the reservoir here, make sure you don't fill it up too much. The lines are here, minimum and maximum. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the car right now. See how much air is coming out. I'm bleeding the system right now, so never put the air panel without bleeding the system first. About 10 minutes already. This car has been running for about 10 minutes. Still bleeding a lot of air. Okay, it's almost done. It's basically done already. It's not throwing big bubbles anymore. Right there. So very little. Yeah, it's almost done.